Every cigarette production journey begins here, among carefully cultivated tobacco leaves reaching maturity under the morning sun. Cigarette tobacco is harvested when its color, texture, and leaf position indicate ripeness. The tobacco harvest is divided by row to collect mature leaves methodically and keep batches separate. Workers prime cigarette tobacco from the lower stalk upward, removing only the leaves that have matured during this harvest pass. Careful placement protects the cigarette tobacco from bruising while preserving the structure needed for later handling and curing. Across the cigarette tobacco field, repeated hand movements turn individual ripe leaves into an organized and traceable harvest. Early inspection keeps damaged material separate before the cigarette tobacco enters the formal collection and processing chain. Loose field material is removed, so the cigarette tobacco batch contains only leaves ready for controlled post-harvest handling. Each cigarette tobacco load receives a batch identity, linking the harvested leaves to their exact field and collection period. Weighing measures the cigarette tobacco collected from each field section and prepares the batch for controlled consolidation. Ventilated transfer keeps the freshly harvested cigarette tobacco moving without unnecessary compression or prolonged exposure to field heat. Staging by field block prevents cigarette tobacco batches from becoming mixed before they leave the harvesting area. The cigarette tobacco now moves into a shaded transport system designed to limit crushing and excessive heat during collection. Crates of cigarette tobacco are secured in sequence, leaving open space around every load for natural air circulation. Before transport, the cigarette tobacco load is checked for airflow, stability, and separation between individual field batches.
All clear, move it
Stack
out.
them up!
With harvesting complete in this field section, the cigarette tobacco team clears the collection point and prepares the load for departure.
All secure.
The harvested cigarette tobacco is consolidated into a ventilated convoy for the first controlled movement away from
All
the
right,
field.
take it down to the depot.
With the cigarette tobacco harvested, identified, and protected, the journey now continues from the farm toward the processing facility. The harvested cigarette tobacco begins its controlled journey toward the processing facility. Secure racks protect the cigarette tobacco from crushing during transportation. Every cigarette tobacco shipment is monitored from the field to the factory. Transport records ensure that each cigarette tobacco batch remains traceable. The cigarette tobacco now moves from farmland into the industrial processing zone. Ahead lies the facility where cigarette tobacco enters controlled industrial production. Factory entry begins only after the cigarette tobacco load is verified. Weighbridge data confirms the total incoming cigarette tobacco shipment.
All right, you're good to go. Roll off.
Digital records connect the cigarette tobacco shipment with its field origin. The cigarette tobacco is guided toward the correct intake station. Controlled yard movement keeps cigarette tobacco deliveries organized and safe. Precise alignment prepares the cigarette
Keep it
tobacco
coming!
load for unloading.
Slow it down, easy now. Hold it right there.
The cigarette tobacco trailer is secured before unloading begins. Material handling equipment moves the cigarette tobacco without damaging the leaves. Each cigarette tobacco batch is unloaded in its original recorded sequence. The cigarette tobacco enters the factory through a controlled intake conveyor. Scanning confirms that the cigarette tobacco matches the factory intake record. With transportation complete, The cigarette tobacco is ready for factory intake and initial handling. The cigarette tobacco now enters the main factory receiving area. Every cigarette tobacco batch follows a clearly organized intake route. The cigarette tobacco is opened for its first factory inspection. Visual checks confirm the condition of the cigarette tobacco leaves. Samples are taken from each cigarette tobacco batch for quality testing. Approved cigarette tobacco continues deeper into the facility. The cigarette tobacco is gently transferred from crates to the processing line. Even spreading prepares the cigarette tobacco for detailed sorting. Manual sorting removes material unsuitable for further cigarette production. Separated material keeps the main cigarette tobacco stream clean and consistent. Metal detection protects both the cigarette tobacco and downstream machinery. Temporary holding maintains a steady cigarette tobacco supply. Operators monitor each cigarette tobacco batch before processing continues. With intake complete, the cigarette tobacco is ready for cleaning and initial sorting. The cigarette tobacco is cleaned before entering the main processing system. Controlled moisture makes the cigarette tobacco flexible for further processing. Leaf and stem materials are separated to create a consistent cigarette tobacco blend. Drying stabilizes the cigarette tobacco at the required moisture level. The processed cigarette tobacco is cooled before final blending. The blended cigarette tobacco is stored briefly to maintain continuous production. The cigarette tobacco is automatically delivered to the forming machines. Cigarette paper wraps the tobacco into one continuous, precisely formed rod. The cigarette tobacco rod is cut into accurately measured lengths. Filters are attached to each cigarette with precisely applied tipping paper. Automated inspection removes cigarettes that fail production standards. Quality testing confirms that each cigarette batch meets manufacturing specifications. Each cigarette pack is sealed, wrapped, and prepared for transport. Finished cigarette cartons are stored, organized, and prepared for distribution. And this is how modern factories produce cigarettes from beginning to end.